Hey, welcome back to part 3 of the RX-Zeromaru Ayumi's Mobile Suit number 13, the SD build divers lineup. Where we last left off is, this is only going to be a couple minutes here. A2. So A2 has like some more little web parts for the SD Gundam and connector bits. And then finally, we have our sticker sheet. Yes, I know a lot of you saying, "Oh my god, that's a lot of stickers!" No, no, no. And yes, you are right, that is pretty much a lot of stickers. We have a lot of gold stickers, a lot of white stickers, a couple black stickers. Here's the two set of eyes. I am going to use the little SD Gundam eyes. So the eyes that actually have eyes, because if you've seen the show, you know that's the mode that usually is in eyes with eyes. So when I say eyes with eyes, you know, you have the weather eyes here, and then you have the double eyes there. Which looks like just weather eyes with eyes painted on top of it, so eyes with eyes. Then of course you have the 100 eyes right there, and then you have all the sensor stickers that goes for all the cameras and its head and guns and stuff. So yeah. Yep. Like I said, part 3 is going to be a real quick little unboxing review of this. Just going over the last two bits. The you know, last runner and the sticker sheet real fast. Like I said, I got my Unicorn Gundam from this, which was the Mobile Suit Gundam Mini Kit collection number 2, which they show that, you know, Autumn's gonna be in metallic silver color. And you're trying to look for the crystal one, which I believe is the Crystal Zeta Gundam. Because that doesn't look like double Zeta, that looks like just the weather Zeta Gundam. Which, funny enough, GameStop is selling the Zeta Gundam. Not double Zeta, but just single Zeta Gundam. Which is pretty cool. Which is, you know, definitely different from the UN2, the universal unit, because if we compare the size of, you know, these two boxes here, here's a U2 box, universal UN2 universal unit versus Mosu Gundam Mini Kit collection. So yeah, like I said, I would love to see a Unicorn Gundam in the UN2 Universal Unit size, but unfortunately this is the only Unicorn that I had at the time. Now I have an alternate Ninja variation of the Unicorn Gundam to start building. I'm still looking to get, you know, the latter full-size Unicorn Gundam. Unicorn Gundam in its Destroy mode, in its Unicorn mode, in the full armor mode, where it has the green cycle flame in every single weapon that you can feel of. 3 shields, bazooka, big old jet backpack, propulsion, tanks on it, you know, everything like that. So, yay. So, I am trying to build up a unicorn collection here. Slowly but surely. Start off with, you know, the mini unicorn. Now I got a ninja unicorn. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of SD Build Diver RX-Zeromaru Ayumi's Mobile Suit number 13 in the Build Divers lineup. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.